once again.
So guys, the first we need in this recipe is our carrots. Right now I'm gonna use my frozen carrots. You can go ahead and use the fresh carrots. I did this by myself, bought a large quantity of carrots and I picked all and put inside the freezer. You can go ahead and use yours. So I'm gonna make use of 5 carrots in this recipe. Start by cutting it so that it can be able to fit the blender. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I just want to make use of 2.5 cups of carrots. This is one cup. Of carrots. Then I'll go ahead and I want to make it in a big quantity. I'll go ahead and make it up to 3 cups of carrots. So guys, this is the 3rd cup. So this is the 3rd cup. So I'll add this straight to the plate. This thing I need in this recipe is garlic. Please don't mind the noise. There is screen beside me here. The children are in the playground, so that's why there's a lot of noise. I made this video before they came out to play, so I cannot stop it. So the next thing we need here is garlic. I'll just take 2 cloves of garlic, just 2. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your lovers. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So the next thing we need here is lemon. So I'll start by peeling off the back of the lemon. I'll just cut it and add it straight to the plate. So this is my blender. I'll just add the lemon straight to the blender. So this is the carrot and the garlic. I'll just add it straight to the blender. And I'll add 2 cups of water. That is 2 cups of water. Then I'll cover to blend. Okay, I've blended it. Then I'll use my strainer to just strain it. Please stay tuned. There's one more thing I'm gonna add to it. So I'll go ahead and remove the foam. So the next now, just add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then I'll stir it very well and bring my cup. So if you want to reduce weight and keep in shape, this is what you need. Just drink this thing should be your morning drink. When you wake up in the morning before you take your breakfast, go ahead and drink this and give it some hours before you and eat your breakfast. If you drink it, it's gonna hold you. It will make you not even eat. It just, flush out every toxins from your body and keep in shape. This is morning drink, guys. Just drink this 1 cup before breakfast for 14 good days and your belly fat will just melt completely and just keep you in shape. Here comes the end of the video, guys. If you guys love this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.